Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to see your account history on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Go to your profile. Tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner. From the menu, tap on the Your Activity option. Then tap on Account History. And here, you will see all the changes you have made to your account since created. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you are able to see your account history on Instagram. If you like our video then, don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.